One of the many offerings we have here at Kirkpatrick Price is our 5-hour risk assessment workshops. These 5-hour sessions will give you a great opportunity to not only learn how to conduct the risk assessment, but you will also leave being able to facilitate the risk assessment process internally. You'll be able to take what we've worked on during those 5 hours back to other stakeholders within your company and teach them the value of the risk assessment. Not only will you leave that 5-hour session with the information to conduct a risk assessment, we'll also work together on building a template that's customized to your organization and the risk that exists in your environment. That template is yours to add to or remove from or update as you continue your continuous risk review.